Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to unbox two kits that I purchased today in Joann's. They were both on sale, 50% off. Both of them are from Diamond Dotz, although this one looks kind of weird to me. I'm not sure how it is Diamond Dotz related, if it is the same company, because the packaging looks different. Diamond Dotz usually uses blue color as their signature color. This one is gray. So again, if any of you know how these two kits are related, these two companies, Diamond Art, powered by Diamond Dotz, and just regular Diamond Dotz kits, please let me know. I am really very curious. So if I know what to expect from this kit, it's not my first time purchasing Diamond Dotz kits. I know that they're of highest quality. I have no idea what to expect from this one. So I actually purchased it just out of curiosity to see how to see the quality of this kit, what comes inside, how it looks, how the drills are, and etc. If they contain any AB drills. And I cannot say that I'm really sorry for the scratch my kitty played with me. I cannot say that I like the original images of both of the kits, the original designs. This is Diamond Dotz. They're called Koi Garden. Here is the design area. That's how it original looks. And this is the other one. When if you follow my channel, you know that whenever I see the kit, I always know how I'm going to customize it. And even if I do not like the design, but I see a room for customization, most likely I would purchase this kit. On the other hand, but for these kits, if these kits were not on sale, I would not purchase it. The original price of this kit was $25. I got it for $12.50. This one cost $30. Oh, 20, sorry. $20. I purchased it for 10. So in total, it was $22, which is not bad for two kits from Diamond Dotz. And now, when I saw this kit, I decided that I was gonna replace a few drills with AB. As far as I understand, this fish comes with this kit comes with AB drills, so I decided to replace these color drills, kind of like light beige, with these AB drills. This orange, not sure what the color is. I decided to replace them with these AB drills, this color. The green with this. I also have a few actually purple leftovers. And what else I'm planning to do, since it is a partial diamond painting kit, this is the only pasting area, and you can see it here. Here are the fishes, diamond painted, the flowers, the leaves, but the water itself is not. So what I was gonna do, what I decided to do back when I was in the store, I decided to seal it with resin. Again, if you follow my channel, you saw my video where I sealed one of my partial diamond painting kits, very similar to this one, but it was pretty small, like 20 by 20 centimeters maybe, with resin. Oh my god, it turned out terrific. It looked like fish were swimming in real water. So I'm going to experiment with this diamond painting kit as well and see how it's gonna turn out. Although I do not seal my diamond paintings usually. I just frame them behind the glass and that's it. Now, as to this one, again, the main reason why I purchased it, not because I liked the design, although it's cute. There were actually three designs. This design, this, and the angel. I liked the angel the least of all. I have already a Christmas tree, so I decided to purchase this and replace. Oh, that's how it should look. Yeah, only resin drills. And replace resin black drills with these beautiful metallic AB diamonds. And replace this kinda bluish, very light blue grayish with crystals. I might also replace these drills with white AB diamonds. I have plenty of them. Plenty leftovers from other kits. So I hope it will turn out really festive. Very sparkly. Now, let's open first this kit and then the other one, because again I have no idea what to expect from this, and see how the kit looks inside and if the quality of this kit is similar to regular Diamond Dotz kits. Oh, by the way, before we start, just wanted to let you know that it is a full round drill diamond painting kit. As far as I understand, there are only resin drills, but we will see closely. And the fabric size, no, we don't need the fabric size. We need the design size. Design size is not big. I saw it somewhere. Finished size is 12 by 12 inches or 30 by 30 centimeters. It is very small, but since there are like big objects, just 3 big objects, I hope it won't turn out too pixelated once completed. You know, very interesting. The package is big, no, at least in comparison to this one. This one is way bigger, but the design is super small. Okay, let me open it. Actually, it looks very cute. It looks better than on the picture, actually. I actually like it. Yes, it is a very small design. What, 30 by 30 centimeters, 30 and a half. Well, apparently, yes, it is a Diamond Dotz kit. Maybe it's some kind of a limited edition that is called Diamond Art for a season. I'm not sure, but it's absolutely the same quality as a regular Diamond Dot kits. Diamond Dotz kits. If you look at them at the canvas, it's not focusing. Sorry for my nails. It is a fabricy canvas, absolutely the same quality as regular Diamond Dotz kits. Round symbols, poured glue, 17 colors, 2 legends on both sides. Cute picture. And it comes with the instructions. Again, I just don't understand why it says Diamond Art instead of Diamond Dotz. Please let me know if any of you know how come Diamond Dotz and Diamond Art are related and why Diamond Dotz is acting as a different company, Diamond Art. I just don't get it. Please let me know. I'm just very curious about it. Diamond Art. Weird. Okay, let's see. Oh, the symbols are pretty clear to read. Easily recognizable. So let's open the drills and see them. So what else was in the kit? It contains a standard set of tools, Ziploc bags, a tray, stylus, comfort gripper, and wax. And the drills. Actually, there is one AB color, white one. I'm going to replace this color with these AB drills. I'm not going to touch the burgundy. It's kind of like dark gray, yellow. Actually, I might use crystals for this yellow color. As far as I understand, it goes to the windows, like light in the windows. So crystals will be perfect for it. Other drills. I want to name the color correctly. So I'm going to replace these drills that, as far as I understand, go to the background with Diamond Dotz crystals that I bought. Most likely these ones. I'm not sure yet, but I also have AB diamonds of this color. So I might do it with those. Light gray, light purple gray, kind of light violet. And that's it. I do not see any more AB diamonds. Oh well. And I replace these black drills with this. So these are the diamonds. In the end, you know what? I'm really very pretty happy with the quality. The same quality as Diamond Dotz, regular kits. I'm pretty excited to start working it. It's called Santa Sleigh. The only thing, again, I do not understand why they add this diamond art and why it comes in a different packaging than regular Diamond Dots kits. So this is the first one. Now let's open Koi Garden. Koi Garden comes like this. It obviously contains more diamonds, maybe even more colors, because this is pretty heavy. And the picture itself, the canvas itself is larger than the previous one. Whoa, what I like about Diamond Dots that their kits, their designs on the canvas turn out to be better than the preview, than the ones on the preview, you know, on the box. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I think it would look amazing once I seal it with clear cast or resin. It will look like real water. It already looks like real water, but it will look even better. It will look like it looks now with this plastic cover. Okay, so it's a beautiful design. Actually, I didn't like it when I purchased it, but I like it now. Very bright, 23 colors. Impartial, but 23 colors, amazing. And the same thing, poured glue, fabricy canvas. It's polyester. I always I do not pronounce it correctly. Polyester. The same thing, the symbols are pretty clear to read. And let's open and see how the drills look. The same standard set of tools, except of the hand gripper, comforter is of different color. This is brighter pink. I don't remember what color it was in the previous kit. These are the drills. Look, it has even AB like purple. No, it's not purple. It's like violet AB diamonds. Beautiful. Green ones. Yeah, this one should be okay to replace. Almost the same shade. I'm going to replace maybe this one, although it kind of looks too light. Maybe with this one. Yeah, with this one. I'm going to replace this color with these AB diamonds. More colors. A lot of beautiful drills. Pink shade, not even pink, salmon shade, I would say. Love it. Purple. And that's it. So only one AB color, the violet one. Not violet, lilac. That's what I was looking for. Lilac color. Not violet, not purple. It's lilac. I love lilac color. It's one of my most favorite ones. And gray and black. So yeah, what I am going to do, I'm going to replace these two colors with AB diamonds. Hopefully it will turn out to be beautiful. So in the end, I'm really very happy with these two kits, and I will be very excited to start working on them as soon as I'm done with DAC one and a few other small kits. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you soon.